Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. Basically I'm in my room, as you can see there's like a mess behind me, and we are into like the third or second week of January. No, it says third I think. But anyway, what I wanted to tell you guys is that my last week I've been kind of all over the place, like mentally or whatever, but that's just because I think it's like January and everyone's a bit like all over the place in general. You know, the January blues coming back after December, which is normally a crazy month for everyone. So my room is a bit of a mess and I started watching Tidying Up by Maria Kudo. See, I'm so bad for like reading things in my head and not actually checking if that's how you actually pronounce it. But anyway, she's this like Japanese woman who tidies for a living and has like books about tidying and stuff. You've probably seen it. It's like a thing that's been around for years, well, her business or whatever, but then Netflix made a series about it, which was perfect for like January or whatever. So today I'm trying to like organize and clean and tidy my room, so I decided to bring you guys along. It's not very exciting, but I know I kind of enjoy cleaning videos. Like, it's nice to see the finished product or whatever. So yes, I have no makeup on me. I'm just out of bed. Well, not really. I'm out of bed about an hour and a half, but this is today's look. I've already cleaned the bathroom and I've hoovered a bit here, so I just need to like reorganize all my clothes. So my wardrobe is in the background there. I'll actually show you it in a minute, but that's what we're going to be working with. And you know, I hope you guys enjoy this video, and yeah, it's just a cleaning chats life video.
Very pleasant today. However, we are looking for a new front to begin to drift south and eastward. The central and eastern parts of Kansas will very probably be cloudy in the morning, and then western Kansas will begin to get increasing cloudiness by tomorrow afternoon. Today, however, very pleasant reading, 73 up.
Okay, so this is basically what we're working with right now. That's like, sorry, stop focusing. That's all the rubbish. That's from a sandwich I had the other day with a can of 7-Up. That's kind of my area beside my bed, which has all like little bits, so I need to sort that out. The bed's just kind of covered. These two things need to go back. These are clothes that need to be put away. I've already tidied that area, so that's not too bad. I've emptied my bins. So this is one side of the wardrobe. There's all my makeup bits. I've gone through some of those, and then this is another wardrobe part. Another thing I need to do, I need to paint that wall. But anyway, the first door here has all t-shirts and jumpers. The second section has all jeans and bits I wear all the time that are hanging, and then the end section has coats and some shoes. Then this section is literally so wasteful. It's just pajamas, workout gear and makeup, but it's just so unorganized. And then this section is skirts and then other random bits. Then we have all my underwear on the floor with more clothes on top of it because I haven't put that away because I don't have an actual underwear section. And then these are all jumpers that need to be put away and more underwear. Then we have the desk area. The desk area is actually clean because I did that last week, so that's not too bad. There's all my desk bits. The shelves are clean, that's fine. This thing in the corner I need to clear out. It's just full of junk. Like, I have an actual wire drawer. I didn't think I was going to become that person, but here we are. And then there's some shoes and stuff that need to just be put away. So yeah, let's go. New year, same room, slightly tidier. So up there are shoes and bits, which I probably should go through them. And then this section is jumpers, and I'm not even messing. I think I probably wear maybe 3 jumpers that are in that. Tops, and then dresses, like kind of day dresses, not fancy dresses, and then other like random bits. Then in here, this is meant to be like kind of going out tops. Then down here is like random kind of work tops, but like the really bad thing is I barely ever wear these. I wear like a couple of vests with jumpers, so I probably need to have a huge clear out of those. And then down here are my shoes, my Air Max 97s, my Air Force 1s, 2 pairs of Converse, and then we have New Balance and stuff at the back. Then my makeup section in here, these are all the bits I use like every day. So there's my eyebrow pencil, I definitely use that every day. And then all my brushes, my deodorant, skincare, hair. Then down here is kind of pads, panty liners, eyelashes and stuff. These are all my palettes that I use. This is a bag full of all my most used lip stuff. And then these are just random bits that I need to like find a place for them that's like easy to access or whatever, because I use most of these like every day. Wait, I'll show you which. This is my favorite moisturizer. It's so good, very dry skin. That's me, a flaky bitch. But yeah, this is terrible. Never buy this because it's a 2-in-1. It actually makes your hair greasy because the conditioner part. So yeah, I would not recommend. Anyway, so I'm after putting away, again, that's like a mess, we're not gonna talk about that. I'm after putting away a lot of bits. There's all my underwear in that box that has Abigail's face over it, don't ask. So yeah, I'm getting there, thank God. Do like a little look. This section is so messy because this is all rubbish. Okay, so we've gotten places. Just make sure that's zoomed out. So the bed has been cleared. These are just 2 packages that need to go back to eustace and Astigal. I still need to change the bedding, obviously. This area none's really been done with it except for like I've hoovered and stuff. But look how clear this part is. So the bins are all emptied. There's my like bag from work. I have to take a lunchbox out of that. But look at that. Completely tidy. Hey! And then over on this side, there's just no clothes anymore. Everything's been put away. I've dusted. I'm just delighted. I need to put this hoover away. I'm going to hoover the stairs, and then tomorrow I'm going to get sorted on actually clearing out the wardrobes. But everything is like tidied right now, which is what I wanted. So outside my room is tidy, except for these 2 suitcases and really old weighing scales, which I don't know why that's there. So now I feel like I'm about to show my mom my room. You know that thing where it's like, oh look mom, I cleaned my room. So here we go. Da, 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 da. Wow, the sauce bags, first thing you see. Look how clean it is. I'm obsessed. God, why am I so annoying? But yeah, like if my mom was here right now, I'd be like, look mommy, look how nice and tidy it is. But it's not, it's you guys. So yeah, there is the tidied room. I'm buzzing with it. Just need to actually get rid of stuff now and we'll be away with it. So the desk area, obviously, those drawers I have to go through because they're like all of my college work for forever. These are all kind of camera equipment and bits, random copies. Then the bed area is fine. These boxes I need to go through. Them, but like right now I'm excited about how tidy it looks. I wish my lens was wider so I could just give a full view of the room. But this is what it's looking like. It's so tidy. I'm so happy. And yeah. Hey guys, so I'm back. I decided to like come back so I could record the outro to this video. Basically it's now late, so there's no natural sunlight unfortunately, so I'm using like a studio light in the background, hence why this is so white right now. But anyway, so that's the end of my first cleaning video or tidying up. I am aware that I say Marie's name wrong. It's Marie Kondo, because I didn't realize there was an N, but I feel like someone's gonna probably try to correct me in the comments anyway. But yeah, I look as ratchet as always, you know, keeping it real. But anyway, there will be another cleaning video next week. I'm not sure what one it will be, but it's either going to be makeup or my wardrobe. I feel like the wardrobe one is going to be such a big task that I'm kind of afraid to do it. But yeah, keep an eye out for that. And yeah, if you like this cleaning decluttering video, let me know, because I actually have a lot of really fun ideas for the next couple of weeks to do with like reorganizing and decluttering and just living a more minimalistic life. I'm not trying minimalism at all, but I'm just trying to cut down on what I consume and yeah, how many things I have, because I don't need as much as I have. Like, there's a want there, but it's not a need. So yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video.